Welcome back, viewers. So we had been checking out the different desktops of OpenSUSE in the last month. Then we left off some of the desktop for later review. So two desktops were pending, that is Mate and Budgie desktops were pending in the OpenSUSE series. So I am planning to complete the two pending desktops of OpenSUSE series along with the Nix OS. So we will have we will have a variety of different videos to watch. So let us start with the installation of OpenSUSE Mate Desktop using the Yast Software Manager. So I opened up the Yast Software Manager, and now you have to open the patterns tab. So pattern tabs is available from here. So you have to click on this. So then the pattern tab will be permanently set here, and then you have to head over to the different patterns. So here you can see the different desktop patterns are there. You click on the Mate Desktop environment. So you see by default all the dependencies of Mate Desktop will be selected. The dependencies with the black ticks are already installed on the system, and the dependencies with the green tick are to be newly installed to complete the Mate Desktop as per the OpenSUSE specification. So let us start, and you can also add some of the software packages. If you want any additional software package, you can add. For example, if you want this Kaja extension image converter, you can add. You can add Kaja extension open terminal. It is a Kaja terminal plugin, so you can add that also. You can just scroll down and you can add some more software. For example, we will add PAN. PAN is a news reader for GNOME. So now I think we have done all the selection of packages, and now you have to hit the accept button. So it will show you a summary of packages that will be installed to complete the installation of Mate Desktop on your OpenSUSE desktop. So now we will just click continue, and it is an automated process. You have to just sit back and wait for the installation to complete, and then I will stop the video here. In the next video we will see the Mate Desktop. We will do a review of the Mate Desktop. Okay, so the installation has finished. Total installation packages size was 370 packages were installed. You can see the summary of packages that are installed here. It took 11.14 seconds to install the Mate Desktop with a total installation size of 1.131 GB, and total download size was 357.78 MB. And with this, I will finish the installation, and we will meet in the next video where we will check out the Mate Desktop. See you, bye.